In this video, I'll show you how to install 1xBet app on iPhone in any country. Like and subscribe to this channel for more important videos like this. So to do that, the first thing you have to do is come over to your app store. And in your app store, you're going to go to the search box and search for 1xBet. Once you search, you realize that you might not see the application on your 1xBet account. As you can see on my phone right now, the application is not there. So what do? Follow me attentively. If you don't see the application, what you should do is to click on your account, click on your account name, and follow what I'm about to show you attentively. This is very important. Once you come over here, just give it a minute to load. Now, you're going to click on country and region. And in country and region, you are going to change your country and region. Please follow attentively. So click on change country and region. And you're going to scroll down to Nepal. Choose Nepal. They're going to give you a lot of details to read. You can read all of these, but just go ahead and agree. Once you're here, the first thing you're going to do is click on None. Your first name and last name, you can edit that. Now the street, you're going to use the street. Follow attentively, please. You're going to use the street Banesh. Here's the street Baneshwar. The second street, you're going to allow that empty. In the city, you're going to use the city Kathmandu. And in the county, you're going to use the same thing, Kathmandu. Now in the postcode, you're going to use this number 44600, and in the phone number, you're going to use this 986554368. Now just verify your details to make sure they are okay and click on next. Once you click on next, this is going to be saved and you can go back to your app store and search for 1xBet. And you search for the application right now, you are going to see. So here is it. Just click on get